In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Shopify payments. By the end, you'll have your store ready to accept payments directly through Shopify without juggling extra gateways. First, log into your Shopify admin. From your admin dashboard, look to the lower left corner and open Settings. In the Settings menu, select Payments. This is where all payment providers and options live and where you'll set up Shopify payments. In the Shopify payments section, click Activate Shopify payments or Complete account setup. You might see different wording depending on whether you've started this process before. Either way, you're heading into the same setup flow. You'll begin by entering your business details. Type in your legal business name exactly as it appears on your official documents, then add your business address. If your region requires it, include your tax ID or EIN. Accuracy here is essential because Shopify uses this information to verify your business. If anything is off by even a small detail, verification can take longer, so it helps to have your documents nearby while you fill this out. Next, provide the personal information of the account owner or authorized representative. This is typically the person legally responsible for the business. Expect to enter standard identifying details so Shopify can meet financial regulations and confirm who's behind the account. Keep everything consistent with your legal records to prevent delays. Now add your business bank account details, enter the bank name, your account number, and the routing number. Make sure you're using an account that can receive payouts in your store's currency and that the account is set up for business use if applicable. Typing errors here are common, so take a moment to double check each number. If your bank offers a way to verify your account information online, use it to confirm accuracy before proceeding. Before you submit, review all information carefully. Scan your business name and address for exact matches. Confirm the personal details for the authorized representative, and recheck your bank account and routing numbers. When everything looks correct, click Complete Setup or Activate to finish. Here's a final tip. Make sure every detail matches your legal business documents and bank records to avoid verification delays. Once approved, you can start accepting payments directly through Shopify, giving your customers a seamless checkout experience. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.